Let me be honest with you. On a cruise ship, two people can work the same hours, but one goes home with double the money. The difference? Possession and how you handle guests. Hi everyone, this is Tintin. In this part, I'm going to share the best possession you should aim for if your goal is simple: higher income, better tips, and real growth on board. And I'm not just talking based on research. I'm sharing this for real experience, especially working in the bar where I've seen firsthand how small interaction can turn into extra income. Let's start with one of the strongest possession, waiter or assistant waiter. If you have experience in restaurants, hotels, or even fast-paced service, this is a very good entry point. Yes, I won't lie. This job is demanding, long hours, busy shifts, and sometimes challenging guests. But here's the reality. This is where the money is. Aside from your basic salary, you earn from service charge, and more importantly, tips. And tips are not random. They depend on how you connect with your guests. If you remember their names, suggest the right dishes, check on them at the right time, and make them feel taken care of, guests notice that. I've seen crew members earn extra just being consistent. Not perfect, just consistent. A simple conversation, a genuine smile, or remembering their favorite drink can already make a difference. Now let's talk about bar department. Bartender or bar server. This one is more personal for me. Working in the bar, there are days when it's extremely busy, especially during C days, parties, or events. You're handling multiple orders, moving fast, and dealing with different personalities. But here's the advantage: the environment is more relaxed and social. Guests are there to enjoy, to drink, to talk, and that gives you more opportunity to connect. I remember some days where all it took was a short conversation, just being friendly, asking where they're from or making them laugh. And before you know it, you're getting tips. Not because you asked for it, but because you made them feel good. That's the secret in the bar. It's not just about serving drinks, it's about creating an experience. And lastly, let's talk about housekeeping. A lot of people underestimate this department, but it's actually one of the most stable roles on board. The work is physically demanding. Yes, but it's structured. You have your assigned cabins, your routine, and clear expectations. And here's what people don't realize: you can still earn good tips here. When guests see that their room is always clean, organized, and taken care of, and when you're polite, respectful, and approachable, they appreciate it. Some guests give tips daily, others at the end of the cruise, and when you build that trust, it adds up. So if you're planning to apply, don't just go for whatever position is available. Be strategic. Ask yourself, where can I earn more? Where can I grow? Where can I use my personality as an advantage? Because on a cruise ship, your income is not just based on your salary, it's based on how you connect with people. Same ship, same hours, different mindset, different results. In the next part, I'll guide you step by step on how to pass application and interview process, especially if you're a first timer and you're not that confident in your English yet, because getting the job is the first real step.